Look around. Have you noticed something yet? Some men walk into a room and command respect without saying a single word. They attract opportunities, power, and success, and even women without chasing them. Meanwhile, others struggle, they get completely ignored, overlooked, and treated like they don't fucking matter. Why? Because life isn't fair, okay? It's a game. And whether you win or lose depends on whether you know the rules, the right rules. But here's the problem. Most men don't even realize a game is being played. They were told to be nice, work hard, and wait, it's gonna be your turn. It's not. And that's exactly why they keep fucking losing. If hard work alone made you successful, every guy breaking his back at a 9 to 5 would be fucking rich. And every guy who always does the right thing would have power, respect, and women lining up. But that's not how the fucking world works. Instead, they fucking struggle every single day. They wonder why life isn't turning out the way they thought it would. Maybe you have felt it too. Maybe you have been ignored or disrespected in conversations while others, they just command attention without even fucking trying. Overlooked for promotions or opportunities while watching someone